Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Easy English. I am Alex, and I am so happy you are here with me today. Thank you for pressing play. Thank you for making time for yourself. Thank you for continuing your journey. In today's episode, we are going to talk about something very important. We are going to talk about confidence. We will talk about how to speak without fear, how to find your voice, how to feel strong when you speak English, and most importantly, how to build a habit that lasts forever. Many people know grammar rules. Many people know a lot of vocabulary words, but many people are still afraid to speak. They feel shy, they feel nervous, they feel like they are not ready. Today, we will change that together. Just like before, I will speak slowly. I will use clear, simple words, and I will repeat the most important ideas so you can understand easily. You can listen, you can relax, and if you want, you can repeat after me. This is your safe place. There is no judgment here, only learning. So, are you ready? Take a deep breath. Relax your shoulders. Let's begin together. Chapter 1. The Fear of Speaking. Let's be honest for a moment. Speaking a new language is scary. It feels dangerous. When you want to speak, maybe your heart beats very fast, maybe your hands feel cold, maybe your mind goes blank. You forget the words you learned. You forget the grammar rules. You just want to be quiet. Please listen to me carefully. This is normal. This is very, very normal. You are not alone. Almost every person who learns English feels this way. I felt this way when I learned a new language. Your teachers feel this way. Even the best students in the world feel this way. Why are we afraid? Usually, we are afraid of mistakes. We think, what if I say it wrong? We think, what if they laugh at me? We think, what if they don't understand me? These thoughts are heavy. These thoughts stop us from trying. But today, I want to give you a new thought. People are kind. Most people are very kind. When you speak English to someone, they are not looking for your mistakes. They are not checking your grammar. They are listening to your ideas. They want to connect with you. They want to understand you. They are not grading you. This is not a test at school. This is a conversation. And a conversation is about connection, not perfection. Think about a bridge. Language is like a bridge between two people. It does not matter if the bridge is beautiful. It does not matter if the bridge is simple. It only matters that you can cross it. It only matters that you can reach the other side. So, when you feel fear, take a deep breath. Remind yourself, I am building a bridge. I am connecting. That is enough. Now, let's talk about silence. In a conversation, sometimes there is silence. You stop speaking, you are thinking of a word. The other person is waiting. This moment can feel terrible. You feel pressure. You think, I must speak fast. I must speak now. But my friend, silence is okay. Silence is natural. You are allowed to think. You are allowed to take your time. If you forget a word, don't panic. Just smile. You can say, one moment, let me think. You can say, how do I say this? This shows confidence. This shows you are calm. Do not rush. Speed is not the goal. Clarity is the goal. If you speak slowly, people understand you better. If you speak slowly, you have time to think. So give yourself permission to be slow. Give yourself permission to breathe. Chapter 2. Building your habits. Confidence does not come from magic. Confidence comes from action. Confidence comes from doing. Imagine a muscle in your arm. If you want strong muscles, you must exercise. You must lift heavy things. If you stop exercising, your muscles get weak. Confidence is exactly the same. It is a muscle. You must use it. You must practice it. But how? How do you practice confidence if you are alone? Here is a secret. You do not need other people to practice speaking. You can practice alone. In fact, practicing alone is the best way to build confidence first. Talk to yourself. I'm serious. Talk to yourself in your house. When you wake up, say, "Good morning. Today is a beautiful day." When you make coffee, say, "I am making coffee. It smells good." When you look in the mirror, say, "I am doing my best." Say it out loud. Do not just think it in your head. Speak it with your mouth. Let your ears hear your voice. Get comfortable with the sound of your English voice. Many people hate their own voice in English. They think it sounds strange. That is only because you do not hear it enough. If you speak every day, your voice will sound normal. It will sound like you. Here's another tip. Read out loud. Take a book or a news article or the words of this video. Read it out loud for 5 minutes. Focus on the rhythm. Focus on the music of the language. Pretend you are an actor in a movie. Pretend you are confident. If you act confident, you will start to feel confident. Your brain will believe you. It's a simple trick, but it works. Let's talk about the plateau. This is a very common problem for learners. At the beginning, you learn fast. You learn hello, goodbye, thank you. You feel great. You see progress every day. Everything is new and exciting. But then you reach the middle. This is the intermediate plateau. Suddenly, learning feels slow. You study for weeks, but you feel the same. You feel stuck. You think, "I am not improving. I am wasting my time." Listen to me. You are not wasting your time. You are improving. But the improvement is invisible. Think of a bamboo tree. When you plant a bamboo seed, nothing happens for a long time. You water it, you wait, you water it again, you wait. For weeks, for months, sometimes for years, you see nothing. The ground looks empty. But under the ground, the roots are growing. The roots are getting strong. The roots are spreading deep and wide. And then, one day, the bamboo shoots up. It grows very tall, very fast. You are like the bamboo tree. Right now, maybe you feel stuck. Maybe you don't see the results. But your roots are growing. Your brain is connecting new patterns. Your ears are getting used to the sounds. You are building a foundation. So do not give up during the quiet times. Do not give up when it feels boring. Consistency is the key. Just keep watering your tree. Just keep showing up. The results will come. I promise you, they will come. Chapter 3. Deepening your practice. Okay, we are going to move to the next section of our episode. Just like before, I will now make the sentences a little longer. I will use slightly more complex grammar. I will connect ideas together more smoothly. This is good for your listening. This pushes your level up step by step. Do not worry. I will still speak clearly. Just focus on the meaning. Let the words flow over you. When we learn a language, we are not just learning words for objects. We are not just learning that apple is a fruit or car is a machine. We are learning a new way to see the world. We are learning a new way to think. Have you noticed that your personality changes slightly when you speak English? Maybe in your native language you are loud and funny, but in English maybe you are polite and careful. Or maybe in your native language you are shy, but in English you feel more direct and bold. This is a beautiful thing. This is not a problem. This means you are developing a new part of yourself. You are building your English self. Your English self is like a new character in a movie. At first, this character is weak. This character doesn't have many lines in the movie. But the more you practice, the stronger this character becomes. Eventually, your English self and your real self will merge. They will become one person. But this takes time. So be patient with your new personality. If you feel different in English, observe it. Ask yourself, who am I when I speak this language? How do I want to sound? Think about the culture of the language too. English is a language spoken by many different cultures: American, British, Australian, South African, Indian, Singapore. There is no one right way to be an English speaker. You do not need to copy a specific person perfectly. You can create your own style. You can have your own accent. Your accent is your history. Your accent tells a story of where you are from and how hard you have worked. Never be ashamed of your accent. It is a badge of honor. It proves you are brave enough to learn. Let's discuss the concept of input and output. These are important words for language learners. Input is what goes into your brain. Reading is input. Listening is input. Watching this video is input. Input is very important. You need a lot of input to learn. But output is also important. Output is what comes out of your brain. Speaking is output. Writing is output. Many students focus only on input. They read grammar rules, they fill in the blanks in a workbook. This is passive learning. It is good, but it is not enough to build confidence. To build true confidence, you need active learning. You need to create something with the language. You need to produce. Here is a challenge for you. Every day, write 3 sentences about your life. Not about grammar, about you. Write about what you ate for breakfast. Write about how you felt at work. Write about a dream you had last night. Writing is like speaking in slow motion. When you write, you have time to fix your mistakes. You have time to find the perfect word. This builds your confidence. When you write a correct sentence, your brain remembers it. Later, when you need to speak, that sentence will be ready for you. Also, try to shadow emotions, not just words. When you listen to me or when you watch a movie, copy the feeling. If the character is angry, speak angrily. If the character is sad, speak sadly. If the character is excited, use energy. English has a melody. It goes up and down. If you speak like a robot, flat and boring, you will feel bored. But if you speak with emotion, you will feel the language in your body. Language is physical. Use your hands, use your face, use your voice. When you use your body, your memory works better.
Chapter 4. Creating Your Environment. Many people say to me, "Alex, I cannot learn English because I do not live in an English country. I live in Brazil or Japan or Turkey. Nobody speaks English here." I understand this problem, but you do not need to live in England or America to learn. You can create an English island in your own home. You can change your environment. How? Change the language on your phone to English. Every time you look at your phone, you will see English words, settings, messages, calendar, weather. This is small, but it helps. Watch movies in English with English subtitles. Do not use subtitles in your own language. If you use your own language, your brain will stop listening to the English. Your brain is lazy. It wants the easy way. Force your brain to work. Use English subtitles. Listen to English while you do chores. When you wash the dishes, listen to a podcast. When you drive your car, listen to the news. When you walk the dog, listen to music. Fill your ears with English sounds. You want to surround yourself. You want to make English a part of your air. The more you hear it, the more natural it becomes. Also, try to think in English. This is hard, I know, but try it for just 1 minute a day. Look at your room. Name the objects in English. Table, chair, light, window. Then try to make sentences. The table is brown. The light is bright. Do not translate from your language. Look at the object and think of the English word directly. This connects the object to the English word in your brain. We are coming to the final part of our session today. I want to talk about the future. I want to talk about your goals and your dreams. Why are you doing this? Why are you watching this video right now? Maybe you are tired. Maybe you have a job, a family, a busy life, but you are here. You are putting in the effort. That is incredible. Most people say they want to learn, but they quit. They stop when it gets hard. They stop when they don't see results. But you are still here. You are the 1%. You are the person who keeps going. And because you keep going, you will succeed. It is mathematically impossible to fail if you never quit. If you learn one new word a day, in 3 years you will know 1,000 words. 1,000 words is enough to have a conversation. 1,000 words is enough to travel. Just one word a day. That is the power of small steps. Do not look at the top of the mountain. The top is too far away. It looks scary. It looks impossible. Look at your feet. Look at the step right in front of you. Just take that step, and then the next one, and then the next one. One day you will stop and look back, and you will see the valley below. You will see how high you have climbed. You will realize that the hard work was worth it. Imagine your future self. Close your eyes for a second if you can. Imagine yourself 2 years from now. Imagine sitting in a cafe in a different country, maybe London, maybe New York, maybe Sydney. You order coffee in English. You talk to the person next to you. You laugh. You understand everything they say. You feel calm. You feel free. You feel proud. That future is real. That future is waiting for you. It is coming closer every single day that you practice. Every time you watch a video like this, you are walking toward that future. So, my friends, be kind to yourself today. If you made a mistake today, forgive yourself. If you didn't study as much as you wanted, forgive yourself. Guilt is a heavy bag. Put it down. You don't need to carry guilt on this journey. You only need curiosity and hope. Remember, you are not learning English just to impress people. You are learning English to expand your world. You are learning to access more knowledge, more art, more friendship. You are making your life bigger. I believe in you. I truly do. I have seen thousands of students start from zero and become fluent. They are not smarter than you. They are not better than you. They just didn't stop. And you will not stop either. Take a deep breath with me now. In and out. Feel proud of the time you spent here. You did something good for yourself. You are on the right path. I'm Alex, and this is Easy English. Thank you for letting me be your guide today. Thank you for trusting me with your time. Go out there and make mistakes. Go out there and be brave. Go out there and use your voice. The world is waiting to hear what you have to say. I will see you in the next episode. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep smiling. Goodbye for now.